As a licensed insurance agent, you want to look for the place that's going to fit all of the needs that you have, right? You just got your license and you're telling me that you find all of these agencies with a bunch of red flags, and you might wonder, what are those red flags? Like poor support, bad management, bad commissions, and you might see that every single place that you apply for. However, here in Better Ways, we take things differently. Now, let me tell you more about the green flags that we have here at Better Ways. Follow me. We have a brand new office here in the Miami area. And by the way, don't tell this to anybody, but we're working on a podcast, so you'll see that. The office vibes are extremely competitive, yet in a healthy way. Everybody here wants to make the most amount of money. With open enrollment right around the corner, we want to get as many agents as possible because we need to fill this call center out. Now, like I told you, my name is Santi and I'm here to help you out make the most money here in open enrollment.